understanding, in terms of, enhance your English proficiency. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a phrase that often pops up in English conversations, in terms of. Understanding phrases like this is key to becoming fluent in English, as they can change the direction or focus of a sentence. Stay tuned to master the use of in terms of and add it confidently to your English vocabulary. In terms of is a phrase used to specify a particular aspect of the subject you are discussing. It helps to narrow down the conversation to a certain point of view, category, or criterion. Think of it like zooming in with a camera to focus on one part of a larger scene. It's a way to introduce a specific angle or perspective on a topic. When you use in terms of, you're often about to specify a dimension, condition, or respect in which you're considering something. For example, in terms of efficiency, the new software is miles ahead of the old one. We have made a lot of progress in terms of the project's initial goals. Here, in terms of efficiency, and, in terms of the project's initial goals, focus the listener's attention on particular aspects of the conversation. Let's look at how, in terms of, functions in various sentences. Financial context. In terms of monthly earnings, the company has doubled its profit. Educational context. In terms of history, we will start with the ancient civilizations. Personal assessment. In terms of skills, she is very competent in negotiations. By using the phrase in diverse settings, you can practice applying it to any field of interest or discussion topic. It's important not to confuse in terms of with phrases that have different meanings. For example, don't use it interchangeably with in regards to or as far as is concerned, which may not always fit the context properly. Also, avoid overuse. If you find yourself starting every other sentence with in terms of, it's time to vary your language to keep the conversation fresh and engaging. Now, it's your turn. Try constructing sentences using in terms of to describe your favorite hobby, your job or studies, a recent trip or experience. Share your sentences with friends or in the comments below and see if you can improve each other's usage of in terms of. Great job today! You've learned how to use in terms of to clarify and focus your English conversations. Keep practicing this phrase to enhance your fluency. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video, where we'll explore more useful English phrases and patterns. Happy learning!